Ready to learn the days of the week in Spanish? Let's go. A quick note before we start. The days of the week in Spanish are not capitalized like they are in English. Also, the word day, día, is masculine, even though it ends in the letter A. Here, we're talking about more than one day, so we add an S for the plural. Los días, the days. The word for week is semana, and it's feminine. The days of the week are los días de la semana. Monday is lunes, lunes, lunes. Tuesday is martes, martes, martes. Wednesday is miércoles, miércoles, miércoles. Notice the accent on the first E. Thursday is jueves, jueves, jueves. Friday is viernes, viernes, viernes. Saturday is sábado, sábado, sábado. Notice the accent on the first A. Sunday is domingo, domingo, domingo. Let's practice them all at once in order. Say them after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. When we use the days of the week in sentences, rather than just listing them, we use a masculine article, either el or los. This word won't always translate to something specific in English. Remember that de and el contract to del, and a and el contract to al, so those words may also show up when using days. Voy a trabajar el jueves. I am going to work on Thursday. Mi tío trabaja del lunes al viernes. My uncle works from Monday to Friday. Después del viernes viene el sábado. After Friday comes Saturday. Okay, now let's play a game. I'll give you 2 days of the week and you tell me which day comes after them. 1. Viernes, sábado. 2. Miércoles, jueves. 3. Domingo, lunes. 4. Martes, miércoles. Let's check your answers. Después de means after, and viene means comes. Your answer will just be the day, but since I'm giving you a full sentence, you'll hear the masculine article, el, as well. That means después de will become después del, contracting de and el. 1. Después del sábado viene el domingo. After Saturday comes Sunday. 2. Después del jueves viene el viernes. After Thursday comes Friday. 3. Después del lunes viene el martes. After Monday comes Tuesday. 4. Después del miércoles viene el jueves. After Wednesday comes Thursday. Ready for a harder game? I'll give you a day of the week and you tell me which day comes before it. 1. ¿Cuál día precede al lunes? 2. ¿Cuál día precede al jueves? 3. ¿Cuál día precede al domingo? 4. ¿Cuál día precede al martes? Pause here if needed. All right, let's check answers. 1. El día que precede al lunes es el domingo. 2. El día que precede al jueves es el miércoles. 3. El día que precede al domingo es el sábado. 4. El día que precede al martes es el lunes. And now, here's some practice just for you. I won't give you the answers. Which day comes between these two? A. Martes y jueves. B. Domingo y martes. C. Jueves y sábado. D. Miércoles y viernes. For a final challenge, can you make up a song to help you remember the days of the week in Spanish? If not, I'll link a few in the description, including this one from Study Tunes. That's it! You've learned the days of the week in Spanish. Good job! You can find more language learning resources and videos like this one at lingolearner.com.